No ice in Georgia. It's so freaking cold. It's so pretty. It's not snow, obviously, but it's ice. Look at the ice. I'm scared. I gotta be careful. I feel like you should have on some socks. But isn't ice getting in your shoes? Yes. Wait, oh no, because yours has the stuff on the inside, right?
Yeah.
I need my umbrella. It's so pretty. I wonder if QT open. This is crazy. I'm so scared. I'm scared. And I don't got no umbrella. This is not safe. Oh my god. It's so freaking pretty. The birds are flying. It's raining, so I'm about to get my umbrella out the car. I have an umbrella in my closet, but I don't feel like digging it out. But look at the birdies. Like, look at the birdies. So freaking cute. Oh my god. I hope I don't fall. This is so pretty. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I know this might be simple, but it's just gorgeous to me. Like, look at the frozen plants. So pretty. Look at the trees. I freaking love it. My daughter, she's like, I'm staying in the house. Cause she said it's cold, but I don't blame her. I'm talking about for her. I don't blame her because they've been outside since this morning. So, but yes, I love. It's so freaking cold out here. Like, I need to invest in some freaking gloves. Okay, my nose run. I ain't gonna be out here too long, but it's just so beautiful. Lord, I am scared that I'm gonna fall. My feet wet. Lord have mercy, but it's just so beautiful. I wish it was snow. It's not snow. Like, this is ice, baby. Baby, this is ice. And I don't think I have on the proper shoes. But it's so freaking pretty. And it's the rain. But yeah, I'm about to do a little U-turn and go back home in case it's cold. And I also want to watch this movie. It's called If. So yeah, I think I want to watch that too and get cozy because my ears are freezing and it is cold. But I want to walk over here towards this park because I just know it's gonna be so pretty because of the snow and the ice. So yeah, I stepped in the whole puddle. So my freaking sock is soaking wet. So I gotta hurry up and go. Cause I'm not gonna get sick in Jesus' name. But let me show y'all, like, look. So freaking pretty. Is the umbrella in the way? This is so damn. Like, let's get into a montage, shall we? I had to get up out them clothes because like it's wet and my hair is freaking wet. I'm praying like, Lord, I'm not gonna get sick. I'm not gonna speak that on my life because I can't get sick, honey. Like I just can't. Like my feet. It's cold, like OMG. But anyway, y'all, like, it's so cozy. The kiddos, they don't have school tomorrow, obviously. Today is Sunday, and yeah, they don't have school tomorrow, so we're just going to chill. Like I said earlier, I want to watch this movie. It's called If, but my kids said they already seen it. So here's the thing. So I think they have Paramount on their TV. I don't have Paramount on my TV. My ex-co-worker had gave us that TV, and I think they already had Paramount on there. So they already seen the movie. I don't have Paramount, so if I want to watch the movie, I have to pay like $4 on YouTube to watch it, which I do not mind because I want to see the movie. So I don't know, I might do that later, who knows. But as far as right now, I don't know what I want to do. I was thinking about earlier about painting my toes. I was going to do that earlier because this morning took me a nice bubble bath. I had Sunday service, you know, playing while I was taking me a bubble bath. I had my face mask on. Like, I had me a good self-care moment this morning while watching church, and I was like, let me paint my toes and put on some press-on nails. But I honestly don't know if I want to do that. I did my daughter's hair yesterday, and it's so freaking cute. Let me show y'all how I'm doing a snow ice vlog. I'm vlogging today, Damari.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing?
Damari,
Hello?
I'm vlogging today.
Light is cool?
I said I'm vlogging today for the people about the snow. Well, not really the snow, the ice. I'm in my kids' room. Look at the snow. Hayden taking a nap. Alright, let me show y'all my daughter here. So pretty. Hold your head down. So pretty. But I don't know what I want to do right now. What time is it? It's probably like 4 something. Let me see what time it is. 4:28. And I don't know what to do right now. I'm still like kind of thawing out from earlier. So yeah, I kind of want to watch a movie. But again, I kind of don't, because I want to lay down and just parlay and don't do nothing. What?
Don't do nothing?
Yeah, I had stepped in water outside and my socks were soaking wet, like, and my nose is running and stuff. I pray to Jesus I don't get sick, and I'm not going to get sick in Jesus' name, but so I don't know. Let me see if I can place y'all right here. But I don't know what to do. It's like cold outside, you know. Cozy. The vibes are cozy. I don't know. But I'm probably gonna watch a movie. But for right now, I think I'm about to get in the bed. My daughter gave me a good idea, so I'm about to make some hot cocoa. So let's make some hot cocoa. Get the hot milk chocolate. It's Saturday for girls. Let's get some money. Gotta get the money. Tomorrow or spaghetti? Like a taco with cheese. 400. No, 425. 425. Timer. Let's do 15. So press this. And do it again and then press start. I think that's what happened. Woo! That's good. So, cheers. That is so beautiful. I love how it looks when it's like icy outside. All right, let's go. I'm about to close out this little mini vlog. I just wanted to show you guys how it's looking in Georgia. They said it was going to be a really bad ice storm. It's not really bad on my end, but that does not mean it's not bad on somebody else's end. So I pray and hope everyone be safe. But yes, y'all, I'm about to close out this vloggy vlog and finish my hot cocoa, and I'm probably gonna watch that movie later. If I don't watch the movie later, since the kiddos don't have school tomorrow, I'll probably watch it tomorrow. But yes, I will see y'all in my next video.